Hey friends, welcome to Just Home Samuel. Today we will be making a dessert which is halwa with apple. Okay, we know apple is loaded with vitamins and minerals, so it's good for health. We will just see how to do it. I have taken 4 apples today. For that, 1 cup of sugar, some drops of vanilla essence, cashews, ghee, and saffron color. Optional. I don't use it. If you want, you can use it. First, I have de-seeded the apple. Then just grate it with skin. Wash it properly so that you can use the skin also. Okay. Now take a pan. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee. We will just fry the cashews and keep it aside before we start doing halwa. So I'll just add cashews now. The ghee is hot. Yes, just fry it until you get a golden brown color. You can use any nuts, or even kismis could also be added, but I'm just using only cashews today. Just fry it until you get the color. That's it. We can transfer it to a plate and we can use it later once the halwa is done. Yes, see the color. Okay, now add the grated apples to the ghee. Okay, sometimes kids may not like taking apples directly, so for them you can just do this halwa and give it to them. It will taste fabulous and they will love to take it. Okay, fry it in the ghee well. Just saute it. See, we will have you can see the color change due to the oxidation which happens in the apple. So I'm adding some more ghee to it. Okay, just saute until the apple, the pieces are very soft and cooked well. Just cover it and cook it. It will take some time, at least 15 to 20 minutes, because we are not adding any liquid to it like milk or anything. It has to cook in the water which is present in the apple itself. So fry it nicely. Ghee is enough, no need for more ghee also. Okay, it's almost mashy now. You can see the consistency, it's almost mashy. This is the time you have to add in sugar. As I told you, I have added 1 cup of sugar, but I could find the apple is little sour, so I'm adding little extra. It depends upon the apple taste also. Okay, normally for 4 apples, 1 cup of sugar is enough, but this is little more of sour, so I'm adding 3 more tablespoons of sugar to this. To cut down the sour taste which is in this apple. Okay, that's it. Mix well. As I told you, if you want to add the saffron color, you can add it, but I'm getting the color, the original color itself, it's very nice, so I'm not adding any color to this. It depends upon the apple also. So it's almost cooked. I'm adding some drops of vanilla essence. I'm adding some cinnamon powder to this. Always apple and cinnamon will go well. So I'm adding to the halwa. You can see the glaze which is there in the apple halwa now. Add in your fried cashews. That's it. Our apple halwa is perfect and it is ready to serve. Please, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe to Just Home Samuel. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.